I'm naturally intelligent, gorgeous, generous, exemplary. I'm radiant. Sticks and stones can break my bones, but names can never hurt me. Don't ban words, ban cruelty. Racism is wrong. Discriminating against anybody because of their skin color or any other qualities is evil and cruel. I made a video based on this little doll who I call Regan. She is vegan. In that video, I spoke highly of her. I said many good qualities about her. But Gliderguy decided to lie. He is spreading the opposite message that I want to spread. Here is what he says: that I was making fun of a doll. Why? Only just because she's brown. That's an outright lie. And that's why I have filed this report. Gliderguy outright lies. I never made fun of a doll just for being brown. This is terrible slander. This is why I get death threats. I am against racism. I speak out against discrimination. In my video, I say these exact words: look at this child. Beautiful eyes, beautiful hair, beautiful skin. I say that she is naturally intelligent, gorgeous, generous, exemplary. She's radiant. Those are my exact words. Gliderguy is underage. He got famous based on lying about my message consistently. In my view, this deserves a strike. Thank you for watching. Thank you for considering my view. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I urge you to unsubscribe from somebody who is racist or who discriminates against the animals. My message has always been clear: be kind to everyone. If you don't understand what happens to the animals, please watch the documentary Dominion Movement and another documentary, Earthlings, and then become vegan and encourage Gliderguy to get educated